What's up, guys? Good morning. Today's gonna be a little bit different. It's gonna be a what I eat in a day and what I train in a day. I stole this idea from Britt. I'm training back and shoulders today with my girl Jess. Low top and the Kenzie leggings. First things first is my water chug. Cheers. Today I'm like out of the house all day, so I have to figure that out. This is when I pack my food. Other days I can like come back to the house and prep, but today I'll be out all day. Breakfast, I have tofu scramble, avocado toast, and of course my roasted tomatoes. You guys know I've been loving roasting my tomatoes. I'm gonna take this pre-workout to share with Jess. We're on the breakfast. I'll see you guys at Jess's. I have my shaker. It's toasted. I'll put some peanut butter on top. Are you doing a full scoop too? This flavor is good.
Are we watching with this? Shakers?
Mm-hmm. Okay, now we're moving on to straight bar pull downs, my favorite, and we're gonna superset it with upright rows. Okay, so we just got back from the gym. I'm gonna make some toast. So I'll see you guys when it's done. Okay, she's done. Yeah. I am headed to Hy-Vee to get the Alfredo, the vegan parm, and the vegan Caesar. And croutons. I almost forgot about that. So croutons as well for my salad later. I'm gonna make a salad later. But I'll show you guys all that. But yeah, right now I'm just gonna make that pasta heading to Hy-Vee. So I will catch you guys in a little bit at Hy-Vee. Come to the store with me. Still not comfortable vlogging in public. Vegan. Hopefully this looks good. Caesar. Vegan. There we go. Vegan Alfredo. Yay! Got it. I'm excited because I'm starving now, so I'm going to show you guys the pasta here in just a little bit. But I'm on my way to my clients and I'll show you guys the after. Okay, so frying the tofu. Then I'm going to add in the tomatoes and flavoring. I'm going to use red pepper, I think, garlic. I kind of want to use rosemary, just a tad bit, and salt and pepper for the tofu. But yeah, let that simmer. And then I'm gonna add in this, and then I'm gonna have my Poppy. These are so good. This tastes like an orange soda, and it has probiotics, so it's delicious. I'm gonna have that. Finished product. Yum. Just literally got home. I'm gonna have a snack of chocolate hummus with drops and some grapes. I'll show you that when it's all assembled. Okay, that's it. Literally so good. Tastes like brownie batter and some grapes for snack. And we're having that. See you guys at dinner. Okay, I didn't mention this earlier, but I'm going to a potluck. We're gonna have everyone's bringing food and drinks. So I'm just bringing the alcohol beverages and some squirt to mix with something probably. But the fit, this teddy coat from Forever, hubby's flannel, and we'll see what we have for dinner and drinks. I'll see you guys soon. Okay, so I got my White Claw and the mushrooms almost done.
Yeah, so I think we're okay on alcohol.
We got here, we got salad.
I have a bunch of blenders.
Oh, avocado. We're gonna make vegan lasagna. Yum. This chamoy. Cute.
It had a strawberry flavor.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys later.